is there, na boss? Yeah. Actuators is there. What I do is in shopping MS and billing MS, I'll add dev tools so that whenever I change, actually, if you are planning to create multiple instances, don't add dev tools. But I'm planning to add dev tools here. I'm yes in application.property while dealing with a different what a ready-made actuator, ready-made microservices. Let's see. Okay, 7, this one. Right click. Tell me here, where is this? Spring here, add starters, add starters. Here is what dev tools. Say next, select pom.xml finish. Select pom.xml finish. Okay, actually, no, for your people, it's no way related, guys. For you people, it's no way related. Okay. But since I am announcing for everyone, vacation period is 28th to 4th. I think today I checked the calendar. It should be 29th to 5th. Sunday. Okay. So change your plans. Better, I think for you, not required. Anyhow, you will be there with me another 1 week max. Okay. Add starters. Add starter. Dev tools. Say next. Select to pom.xml. Say finish. Select to pom.xml. Say finish. That's good. 7, 7, 7. Okay, now I'm thinking about working with info actuator or not there. Here is paint, guys. File open. Yeah, here is what? 719. Yeah, tell me next one. 1103. Here is what? 1103. Tell me next one. More on Spring Boot actuators. 1 minute. In previous document, something is not covered. Info actuator is not covered. Let's discuss about info actuator first. Info actuator gives info about current application in the form of what? JSON content. When we user gives request to what? This info actuator. For that, we need to maintain information about application in application.properties. Having fixed prefix, guys. Okay, example, keep Spring REST application ready, activate info actuator. Either you can activate only actuator, boss, you can go for all the actuators. Because by default, only health is activated, right? If you want to activate remaining actuator, we have to go for all other things are not there. Okay, 1 minute. I'll run all the applications as usually. Eureka server. Right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. This is my billing MS, guys. com.nt. Right click, Java application. Shopping MS, com.nt. Right click, guys, Java application. Right click, Java application. That's good. Yeah. Did we activate any actuators here? Application.properties. Activate all the actuators. Star. Activate all the actuators. In billing MS also, activate all the actuators. Activate all the actuators. Star. That's good. Yeah. That is not enough, boss. We'll target only one billing MS, guys, not all the things. Okay, you have to activate it. Then we have to put what? Info.app.name. Yeah. For info actuator. Info.app.name. Okay. HCL. Info.app is fixed, guys. Followed by that, anything you can take. Info.app.id. Info.app.address, or anything you can take. Info.app.size 100. Info.app. Come on. Vendor, or anything you can take. Vendor XYZ. Info.app. Created by. Info.app. Created by. Are you getting my point there or not there? Yeah. Vendor, okay. Something. Some Wipro, something. Yeah, that's good. Now I saved it. Okay. Now tell me this billing project is running on which port number? 9092. Okay. This is running on which port number? 9092. 9092. Actuator/info. Not coming. Sir, we kept now why it is not coming? Because Here also for info also I have to keep show details always. Show details always. Management dot info dot environment dot enable true. Array, project maintenance team want to know about the project. In that situation, this is very useful or not there, guys? In that situation, it is very useful or not there. So what should I write here? Okay. Hmm. Allow info actuator to gather all the details. To gather all the details. Tell me. Info dot app dot, come on. Info dot app dot, not app dot, I think management dot info dot. Keys you have to, should not. Management dot, what dot? Info dot, tell me. Env dot enabled. Env dot enabled. Tell me, what is there? Env dot enabled true. Env dot enabled true, guys. Everyone getting my point there, guys? Env dot enabled true. Okay, now you observe, refresh. We are getting the details are not there. So info should be activated. Now I activated all actuators now. Click on actuator. All the actuators list is coming or not there. Beans, caches, info, condition, config properties with certain prefix. Come on. env to match loggers name, thread dump, metrics. So many things are there or not there, guys. So many options are coming or not there. So now let us take up one by one. So when you, because you activated star na, that's why all actuator. In that one again you ask it to enable info na, information is coming. What's the use of it? Array, project maintenance team company is different, development team company is different. Array, maintenance team should get about basic information about project before they start maintaining or not there. That too without touching the source code. That time they can depend upon this info actuator to get the information about that project or not there. To disable info actuator, enabled false or access read only or none. Access read only or none. Though everything is there, here I kept enabled what? False. I kept enabled false. Save this. Come to this. Actuator will work, guys, but you look at info. Do you think info will work? Info is not working, it's getting the like this or not there. No, you don't like to use this. We have endpoint.info.access, read only or what? None. Read only or what? None. Okay, tell me now. Management.info. Tell me. Management.info. 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 Env dot enabled. What is there? Management.info. Env dot enabled. False? No, that other one. Info dot access. Access none. Access none. Say this. We are getting error over here or not there? We are simply literally getting error over here or not there, guys? Yeah. Next one. Microservice is running. Without touching microservice, I want to shut down the microservice. There is an actuator called shutdown. And interesting is, when you activate all actuators, shutdown will not come. You have to go for separate activation for shutdown. You look at the star, guys. In the star, shutdown is there or not there? In the star, anything called shutdown, control F, shutdown. Okay, na boss. Anything called shutdown is coming or not coming, na boss? 9090, what is there? Slash actuator. We are getting bunch of actuator. In that one, shutdown is there, guys? Not. We are getting. Okay. But then how to activate the shutdown actuator? Okay. Check it out. The actuator does not come with list of actuator, though we use star symbol for exposure. Application dot properties. We need to enable separately. Star is there, and one more thing is there. What? Shutdown dot access unrestricted. Shutdown dot access unrestricted. But this expect post mode request, guys. Shutdown actuator expects what? Post mode request. You give request to that any microservice port number along with what? Shutdown actuator. Okay, the microservice will be stopped automatically or not there. The microservice will be stopped automatically or not there. Post this, send. It's happening or not? Shutting down, boy. So as a maintenance team, okay, if you want to shut down the microservice without knowing how to start or close microservice, we can think about going for what? Shutdown actuator or not there, guys. Yeah, first thing what I should do, I have to activate shutdown actuator. Activate shutdown actuator. Shutdown activator. Tell me. Management dot endpoint dot shutdown dot management dot endpoint dot shutdown dot access. Shutdown dot access. How much? Unrestricted. Okay, shutdown is ready. But it is expecting get mode request or post mode request. Definitely it is expecting what mode request, guys? Post mode request. Yeah, this is my postman tool. This is my postman tool, guys. That's okay. This is my postman tool. Okay. Here, where is the story, guys? Where is the story? 1103 MS boot pros, not 7. Okay. This is different. Boot rest 1103, not required for other things, it seems. Okay. Blank collection. 1103. Tell me. Boot rest pros. Yeah, boot MS pros. How much? 07. Add request. Okay. Request one shutdown. Shutdown. Request one shutdown. Tell me where is this post? Tell me where is this post? Localhost 9092 actuator. What is there? Shutdown. What is there, guys? Shutdown. That's good. Click on shutdown. See? 9092. Message shutdown boy. Now you see the microservice boot. You see billing MS microservice, guys. You will see terminated. Billing MS target terminated or not there. Did I stop manually or through actuator I stopped it? I have not stopped manually. I have stopped through what? Actuate. I have not stopped manually. I have stopped it through what? Actuator. Everyone are getting my point there or not there, guys? That's good. Great. By adding this actuator to MS project, we can shut down the MS without touching the microservice. This is also very useful for what is DevOps team or project maintenance team or not there. This actuator is very useful for okay DevOps team or project maintenance team. DevOps team or what? Project maintenance team. I hope you thoroughly understood this statement or not there. Convinced with me or not there, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. So this is about shutdown actuator. Yeah. Session 9, session 10. Session 10. What is the benefit of working with actuators? I already said before arrival of actuator, we used to work with what? Multiple tools, AOP kind of thing to develop the non-functional features. But after arrival of actuator, 10 to 15 services are coming together or not there. These are non-functional features that are required in any project deployment and maintenance. Earlier, teams used to depend upon various tools given by JDK and third party to get these non-functional feature. Now, most of those operations can be done using what? Actuators. For example, when bug is raised, we need logging info and threaded info. Earlier, people have used separate logging tools like what? ELK stack, etc. Also separate thread dump tools like what? JConsole, JMS, JStack, Visual VM, and etc. After arrival of Spring Boot, we can use actuator support like what? Loggers thread dump for the same. Loggers thread dumps for the same. Okay. Earlier, few non-functional features have been developed using Spring AOP by placing lots of efforts. Lots of efforts. After the arrival of Spring Boot actuator, we are getting more facilities as ready-made facilities to deal with what? Non-functional features. To simply literally deal with what? Non-functional features. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. To get all actuator, this one. List of important actuator. Okay, now I am taking one by one. Beans. Gives info about all Spring Beans of current boot project. Both auto-configured and manually configured. You will get information about all Spring Beans, guys. Fine. Where is this 7? We are focusing more on this. I said star means all are actuator. There is no need of separately actuating beans. Okay, boss. Here, what is there? Eureka server. Right click, tell me, run on Java application. config server, run as Java application. Eureka server, Java application. Which one started? Eureka server got stopped. Why Eureka server is at config server is already. I understood. I understood. Only billing MS I have to start. Java application, guys. Yeah. This is my actuator one now, guys. All actuators are coming, but I'm looking for what? Beans. Actuator slash beans. All beans information is coming or not there? All beans information. But our beans also will be there now, boss. Yeah, how to check our beans? With class names I can check or not there. What's the class name I should use, guys? We have a lot of classes, billing operations control. Billing operations controller are not there. Yeah, here what is there? Billing operations controller. Billing MS, that's good. Beans. Array, what is there? Billing operation MS. What is the name I have taken? Billing is not coming with no lot of predefined, user defined, lot of things will be there. But why Avarthi is not coming? Is there any bean ID I haven't given? No. B small letter, let me try. Yeah. Bean ID. In Bean ID, what happens, guys? Bean ID, first letter, small letter. Fine. Class name is coming nicely. Check it out. It's coming or not there. So similarly, some predefined request mapping. Request mapping, handler mapping is there. Earlier it was theoretical statement. Default by that becomes Spring Bean. And next one, internal resource view resolver. Internal. Earlier it was what? Theoretical statement. Now it is practical proof or not there. The default handler mapping is what? Request mapping, handler mapping. The default view resolver is what, guys? Internal resource view resolver. All these things are nicely coming or not there. So that means it is giving information about all the Spring Beans that are created by programmer explicitly. Come on. That are created by programmer explicitly, that are automatically generated through auto configuration. Simply, literally, we are getting information about all Spring Beans are not there. Simply, literally, we are getting information about all spring beans are not there, guys. Is it not interesting, my dear? Come on, everyone. Interesting or not, guys? Okay, that's good. Tell me next one. What is the story to follow? Okay, beans. How to add the JSON? Actually, you won't get some zigzag format. If you add a JSON formatter as a plugin, you will get more things. Yeah, then config properties, guys. What is there? Array, config properties is annotation for bulk injection. Come on, guys. Config properties is the annotation for bulk injection or not there? Okay, I just want to get all the Spring Beans that are dealing with what? Config properties. That means it will give information about all the config properties related prefixes and suffixes. Yeah, array, not only user defined, a lot of predefined classes using what? Bulk injection support. When you open other day I have opened source code of Hikari data source, Tomcat CP. They're also in multiple places. Config properties annotation is used or not. Internally in multiple places, config properties annotation is used or not there, guys. It definitely used, no doubt in that, right? Okay. Now let us see what we can do. Let us see what we can do. Here what? Config props. Here is my what? Config props. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Yeah, tell me. Control F. What's there, guys? Control F. Okay, but all star symbols are coming. Values are not exposed, right? Okay, but you see, guys, Spring dot, Spring dot, Spring dot, data source dot, not coming. Yeah, it's giving all predefined classes related because we don't have user defined one, right? Okay, but what is this star symbol? No, I don't want star symbol. I want values. Then management dot endpoint dot config properties dot show values always. Show values always. Now let's see. Management dot endpoint dot tell me. Config props dot show values. What is there? Huh? Always. Show values always. That's good. Enter key. Yeah, now the real values are coming or not there. Real values are coming. If you provide one prefix, guys, that prefix, only that prefix related. Sub property is also there. Okay, what is the prefix we got? Spring dot cloud. Only cloud related properties are coming now, boss. Come on. Okay, now Spring dot environment. Not there. Spring dot cloud is there. That's why I are getting it. So only cloud related properties information is coming. Other things are not coming. See, only cloud dot service registry, everything. All the things related to cloud. You just type Spring. Okay, only Spring means many are there or not there. Only Spring means many are there or not there. Like this sub properties also there, Amos, my dear. Spring dot cloud. That means if you look at the how to know when to pass parameter, when not to pass parameter. If you look at this, guys, if you look at this, observe very carefully. Config properties is there. Config properties hyphen prefix is there, but URL is what? Config property slash prefix. See, same thing repeated twice means some extra parameter is there. With parameter you can call, without parameter we can call. With parameter we can call, and we can also call what? Without parameter. Are you getting my point there or not there? Actuator slash, what is there? Actuator slash config props, all are coming. If you mention any such specific property, that property related information is coming or not there? Say paste. Localhost 9092 actuator config properties spring.cloud. So this cloud related extra parameters, extra information will come, guys. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Environment. Environment gives current environment of the project in the form of key value pairs like jar file added to class path, CPU details, OS details like this. Okay, env this one. You want to get specific property? If you want to get for specific property, you can get it. 1 minute. Instead of writing this one, this kind of things separately, what I do is I just write, copy this. Not copied. Okay. To get all config props. To get specific config props. To get all config props, to get specific config props. env gives the current environment of the project in the form of what? Key value pairs like jar files, other thing. But problem is they also by default use what? Star symbol only. They also give by default star symbol. You want to get specific env. No, not config props, guys. Env, environment. But here also star symbols are coming. No, you don't want star symbol. Very simple. You try to pass the always. Env dot. env properties. What properties? Env properties. Management dot environment dot, tell me. Env dot show values always. Save it. Come to this place. Refresh. Environment values are coming or not there. You want to get any sub specific in one environment value. User dot directory. Current user this coming. Only specific property values are coming. Okay. Next, OS dot name. Only operating system details are coming. Check it out. OS dot name. Next, OS dot version. Only OS version value is coming. OS related information is. Okay. Next one, home dot directory. There is no such property, guys. Is there any such property, guys? Not. User dot name. Name of the user has come or not there? Fine. Okay. This is to get the specific property, guys. Our possible values are always never when authorized. When authorized means when security is enabled. When authorized means when security is what? Enabled. That's the meaning of that one or not there. Okay. Yeah, fine. This is the story about these guys. Next one, loggers. Gives all log messages related details along with their what? Logging level. Along with their logging levels. Trace default this one. But listen guys, by default every Spring Boot project is enabled with what? SL4J. And the default logger level is what? Info. Default logger level what? Info. That's the default logger level. No, you want to get specific information, guys, about specific project. Now let's see. Actuators, what is their loggers? These are the logger levels. Each package. On root package info, ORG package info, Spring Frame. Default activated is info only. Each package and its logger level that is enabled is coming or not there. And that since I have not activated anything, by default info activated on every package are not there. Now I'll come to my project, guys. Application.properties. Enable logger level. At least on user defined packages. Logging dot level dot package name. Com dot nt. Com dot nt. I'm enabling debug. Level dot com dot nt. I'm enabling what? Debug. So your debug level is enabled or not there? Huh? Yeah, this is wrong then. That's why error is coming. Say this. I think it is not now just restarting, guys, reloading. All loggers information will come. Still not loaded. Yeah. Loggers information has come. Okay. Yeah, on all default package that is only enabled. But I look for my package. com.nt. On com.nt, what is enabled? Debug is enabled or not? You give specific one package, guys. Specific one package. org.spring framework. There I have not touched anything. Info is there. No, you can change for you predefined package also. Wait a minute. Copy this, paste it. org.spring framework. org.spring framework debug. Save this, guys. Wait for some time to recognize the changes. That is not going to change. Tell me here what is there? Loggers. Tell me here what is there, guys? Loggers. Yeah, tell me here where is that? com.nt or something else? Com.nt is this, but I will write my own package. org.spring framework. That is also changed to debugger or not there. So that means we can get all information, specific package information. This is only to not the log messages, to only to know what logger level is enabled. This is not to change logger level also. This is only to know what logger level. Actuators are basically providing reading information that will help DevOps team to maintain the project so effectively, nothing else. That helps DevOps team to maintain the project too effectively, nothing else, guys. Okay, next one, scheduled task. What is there, guys? Scheduled task. Use @scheduled method info like what? Initial delay, fixed rate, and etc. Interesting thing is, not only user-defined classes, guys, there may be some predefined classes having scheduling na boss. If there, they will come. In predefined also not there, nothing will come. Come on. Okay, now let me try scheduled task. What is there, guys? Schedule. What task, guys? Scheduled task. Scheduled task. What is there? Scheduled task. Loggers dot scheduled task. Why it is not coming? All the schedule. No, that's fine. That's fine. Scheduled actuator slash. Acha, after loggers I kept. Fine. Actually, I should get empty flower bracket. But nothing is there. No information is there, right? Because there's no predefined, there's no user defined having scheduling. Because why predefined will enable scheduling? So for knowledge sake, only for knowledge sake, I'll take one small thing. Go to main class. Go to main class. Enable scheduling. Enable scheduling. I'll take one small method. New, what is there? Package. com.nt.test. com.nt.test. Right click, new. What's there, guys? Class. New class. Report generator. Report generator. Public void generate report. System.out.println. Show report. @schedule. Cron is equal to. Okay. 0/15. Star. I think no comma, na? Comma is not there. It will execute the task for every 15 seconds or not there. It's a beauty, guys. Come on. It will give this. But right now our focus is not on that. Okay. First of all, Eureka server run as Java application. Only 15 minutes every minute 15th second. Every minute 15th second. It will execute having period of time. Every minute 15th second, right? Yes. That's good. Tell me. This is Eureka server. This is what? Config server. Eureka server is ready. Now let me start config server also. Let me start the config server also, guys. Run as a Java application. Oh, yeah. Yeah, tell me here every this billing MS also I have to start now, guys. Yeah, let me start the billing MS. Right click, run as a Java application. Say refresh. Yeah, tell me now. Scheduled tasks. Scheduled task. Array, you should give me at the rate schedule is kept. Oh, this at the rate component is missing. Yeah, save it. Say refresh. Wait for some time. Nothing is there. It will give, see, car runnable target. Generate execution takes place where. That is the expression. Next execution happens for after 15 seconds are not there. So it's clearly giving all the scheduled task information are not there. Sir, how to know whether certain actuator allows the parameter or not? Allows the parameter or not? Very simple, guys. In the URL of the actuators, if you have information like parameters, base path and base path slash parameter specifies this actuator allows me to take what? Parameter. Next one, we have something called threaded umna, boss. That means it gives all the threads information are not there. Lot of threads that are started in the execution of the application will be coming or not there, guys. Okay, guys, tell me here. Here is my thread dump. All the threads information is coming here now, boss. Control F. What is there? All the threads information is coming over here, right, boss? So now let's check how to see those the threads information, guys. So there are so many threads in web applications, right? Okay. Is there any specific thread, guys? Garbage collector kind of thing. What is there? Garbage. No, it's not recognizing. Okay. Catalina related. See. Servlet container related threads are coming now, boss. Jasper. Acha, JSP won't be there because it's not a direct one, indirect one. So it's giving all the threads information one by one, guys. All the threads information one by one. Check it out. All the thread, because internally so many threads will be there. After all, we are running this application in embedded Tomcat server or web server. So many threads information will be there, and all the threads information will come or not there. Lot of threads information is there. All the threads information will come or not there, guys. Are you getting my point there, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not there, guys? Comfortable or not there, guys? I want reply from you people, guys. Come on, everyone. Super, guys. Tell. I missed. Do you need to put refresh scope in consumer application? Beans. Provider application, beans both. Second, from shutdown one, suppose shutdown is put inside provider application. So shutdown only provider. It's each MS. Shutdown is for each MS. It's not common for all MS, right? And refresh scope is required every request scope annotation. You should put on all microservices where you want to reflect the changes. A refresh scope should be placed on both microservices where you want to see the changes. Sir, what if I, instead of putting star on previous property, I put info only? Then also I need to put second property enabling. Yes. Enable. Okay, for info, though you keep star or info, you have to put enable separately. If you don't enable, you won't get the output. If you don't put enable, you won't get the output. Yeah, threads information is coming here or not there. Mappings, guys. What do you mean by mappings? Are all request paths, guys? Various endpoints, their request path. Handler method mappings information will come or not there, guys. Okay, let's see. What is this? Mappings here. All the mappings information is coming. How to check other mappings are there or not there? I think we have purchase something is there now, boss. Purchase, spell mistake. Purchase. Array purchase, slash purchase, fine. Slash purchase. Thread dump. No, it's giving all actuators, but I want to get with respect to my project. Acha, calc bill, fine, right. Yeah, calc bill is coming here or not there. Purchase is there in shopping MS. Right now we are not highlighting that. So it is giving endpoint details. Check it out. Predicate, get mode, all this stuff. Handler, do billing method, details, handler method, class name, name, do billing. Description is coming or not there. Description is coming or not coming, guys. Come on. Okay, calc bill, price list, patterns, discount percentage. So it's giving information about all mappings, nothing but endpoint details. If it is MVC application, handler methods information. See, nothing we developed. All these are ready-made. So think about maintenance team, project maintenance team, DevOps team. They don't want to open source code, but they want to get everything about the project. That time this is going to be very, very useful weapon or not there. Okay, what's the next, guys? Heap dump. Array, memory, number of objects and other things will come. Number of objects and other things will come. Okay, now check it out. This is very interesting. I give request to heap dump. I request to heap dump. Any spell mistake? Is my applications running? Running. Okay, then why it is not coming, guys? Actuator slash. Can we create custom actuator? Definitely you can create, but generally there is no need of doing it. Custom actuator means what? There's no need of it, but you can do it. It's not like that. Can we create means yes. Okay. So since a discussion has come, if someone asks that one, okay, ChatGPT, you just take a reference code. Some class development will be there implementing some interface. Okay. Sample custom actuator creation in Spring Boot. Sample custom actuator creation, this one. Yeah, for creating custom actuator. See, public class, my point. Okay, same. One more endpoint we are creating or not there? One more endpoint we are creating or not there? No need of writing at the rate endpoint also. Fine. Read operation. Okay, that's good. Array, get request only. Read operation means get request. Run the test. Tell me anything great in this? It's creating another microservice. Yesterday only I said this statement. Mister, whoever asked this question, yesterday also I have given the same answer. Array, these are ready-made microservice means you create your own microservice. Come on. It will become what? Custom actuator or not there? They become custom actuator or not? When array predefined this one. Advanced example with write operation. You can also add write operation and delete operation. Okay, update status is equal to this. Yeah, expecting post mode. Same right. It's all about developing what? It's all about developing what, guys? Okay, one more user defined microservice. That's it. But don't expect it should come along with other actuators. No, it won't come. So it's another your own. No, you have to. You will be. It will be having its own path and its own address. Whoever having doubt, I think you got it. Getting. And when predefined micros actuators are ready-made microservices, you want your own actuator means you have to create your own microservice. And from the beginning, we are creating our own micro actuators are not there. Yeah, possible and syntax-wise, you can take the support of ChatGPT. But generally, after having 15-20 ready-made actuator, there's no need of creating what? User-defined actuator. But if you someone ask out of curiosity, yes, you can say possible. Yeah, why heap dump is not coming, guys? No static resource. It's saying heap dump not there. Spell mistake, ah? No, I don't think so. Heap dump is spell mistake, ah, Nora. Wait a minute. Actuators list. In the list of actuator, heap dump is there or not there? Thread dump, refresh, feature, service registry. Acha, in recent versions, they are not giving, boss. Okay. I'll change the version and I'll show. In recent version, they might be not giving. Fine, no problem. We'll change the version and I will give. 3.5.1. 3.5.1. Array endpoint is for description, Rababu. Come on. Endpoint is for what? Description. Okay. Okay. That's good. Now you run this billing MS used. Okay. I think it's better to stop once now. Billing MS stop. Once again you start. Run as a Java application. Refresh. Okay. Now heap dump will come check it out. Heap dump. Heap dump not coming. Why so? Why heap dump is not coming, Ra? Heap dump should come, Ra Babu. Java application. Actually, it will download one file. Acha, maybe I'm not observing. Actually, any downloads are happening or not? Any downloads are happening? Actually, it will download one file, guys. Wait a minute. It will download one file and you have to open that in a separate website. These third party permissions are not there, it seems. Reload. Yeah, check it out. Gives memory details of the bytecode. So we need additional tools to analyze the content like Eclipse Memory Analyzer, IBM Heap Memory and Heap Hero. I have used Heap Hero. I have used what? Heap Hero. Okay, that's Heap Hero will analyze the memory and will give diagram like this. Heap Hero will analyze the memory and will give the diagram like this. But the basically file to download is not coming. Change considering that Spring could with this release train. Your project following reasons 3.4.7. There are not there. 1 minute. 3.5.1. Three point 5.1. Right click, run as a Java application. Array, what happened? Why heaped? Is microservice started? No. Huh? There is enable variable. Huh? No, cannot set parent fact itself. First process 7, Eureka server. Right click, run as Java application. Run as Java application. Next, that is Eureka server. Here is what? Config server. Java application. Next, billing MS. Run as Java application. Why it's giving error, Babu? Heap dump they removed. It's not working. Heap dump. Heap dump. What's happening, guys? Okay, fine. We'll discuss that one later. I think some version related issue. There is something called metrics. Metrics, guys. Metrics is information about environment equal to environment. The beauty is it will give all the property name. You want to get specific property, you can get it. JVM dot buffer dot count. JVM dot buffer dot count. So only that property information is coming or not there. Okay, metrics OS dot name. I think this is different information. Metrics, only metrics you observe. Only metrics, so many other things are JVM dot info. JV information is coming or not there. Again, about the project, about the internals, all this thing. There's something called cache. There's something called caches. Right now, I have not configured any caches, guys. Cache managers are empty brackets are coming. In future, I'll show how to configure Redis cache and other thing. Then you will get that information. If any caching techniques are configured, that cache name will come. If not configured, they will not come. Got it? If any caching thing is configured, that will come. If not configured, they will not come. Is that clear, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. Great. Next. Okay. Sir, can we change actuator base path, sir? This is the base path of actuator, na boss? No, I don't want to use actuator. I want to use some NIT info or some other thing, right? Okay, then you can write like management dot endpoints dot web dot base path is equal to NIT info. Management dot change base path for actuate. Change base path for actuator. Tell me, what is there? Management dot. Okay. Web dot endpoint dot endpoint dot yeah, I think reverse management dot endpoint dot web management dot endpoint dot web dot base path slash NIT. Anything I can take, boss. Slash NIT. Yeah, slash NIT. Okay, now check it out. Now you use actuator, anything comes, will not come. But you type NIT, it's coming. We are able to change the base path or not there. We are happily able to change the base path. Okay, now everything is coming. All actuators are doing well. That's good. But heap dump is quite interesting and useful also, but somehow not coming. Okay, now let's spend some time on heap dump, guys. Okay. No. Yeah, that's something I have to do, guys. Something I have to do. By default, it is not activated. Do I need to do anything? Caches not coming. Hmm. No, earlier it used to come in the bunch only, guys. Okay. ChatGPT, how to use? Array, please don't concentrate. Heap dump actuator in Spring Boot 3.5.5. In Spring Boot 3.5.5. Okay, I have to add this actuator. I know that. That's good. Management.expose.include health info. Already we have done. Right. Access heap dump health point. Access heap dump health point. Heap dump. Heap dump. JVM process all this one. You have to use memory analyzer tool. You have to use what? Memory analyzer tool. Management dot security. Since contains expose dev test and production environment, I'll try to put enable true na boss. Exclude. Okay, if you are using synchronous restriction, no, actuator will give JVM deep down. Okay, fine. Now let's see. Replace with access. Access what? Unrestricted. Access unrestricted. Access unrestricted. Okay, that's good. Come to this. NIT dot. What is there? Heap dump. Yeah, that enabled. By default, not coming, boss. In old version, is to come like this, but nowadays it is not coming. This is mandatory. In recent version, this is mandatory, guys. Place this. Place this in what? Application dot properties file. Place this in application dot properties file. That's good. Sir, there is no output, but you are happy. A heap dump file is created now, boss. That means already 10 times I have downloaded in this mission. Don't worry. Yeah, tell me. But this project related. Heap hero dot io. There's a website called heaphero.io. Yeah, earlier used to enable automatically, but now choose the file. Choose the file. Go to downloads section. Heap hero 10. The 10 is a file. Analyze the. You will get the memory analyzation, guys. You are going to get the memory analyzation. Uploading. It's uploading, guys. Yeah. Identifying memory problems, troubleshooting reports. Very beautiful in detail. How many classes are there? How many objects are created? Every information it will throw to us, guys. Every information it will put on us, right? That's the real beauty of this discussion or not there, guys. See, class count, object count, GC root, OS 64-bit. Array detailed information is coming or not there? About each class information is coming or not there? Okay, histogram, threads information, all threads information is coming here. Duplicate classes, are there any duplicate classes? Histogram, something about all the information, guys. Performance report. Do you like this report? Come on. Very interesting or not there? Guys? Statistics. Chart view, you want a chart view also. Chart view also coming. How much for each one? Nah, this one is occupying this much. This much is occupying this. Is there any org.spring framework root packages? Okay, left side, where is this? Left side, where is JDK internal, how much memory? com.nt, where? This one, this one, this one. Java.util na. Others. Java.util na, that is. org.spring na. No, here also there. Why are you taking tension? All these are org.spring framework. Come on, man. I thought you are showing me com.nt somewhere. Okay, maybe others others are there. Nice information is coming na, boss. Like this, all threads information is coming nicely or not? Fine. Okay, that's good. Analyze heap dump. Here we're analyzing the heap dump. That memory diagram has come, metrics has come. We changed it, guys. While working with the refresh actuator, if external config file and a local application.property file of MS contains same keys with different values. Okay. Can you tell me which will be affected? GitLab application.properties DB user system. Local native config file DB user Ramesh. What will be taken, guys? Huh? Okay, native. Actually, native only. Because the active profile is what, guys? Because the active profile is native. Native. Okay. You try, you also try. Takes native config file. Takes a native config. It is my chat GPT, guys, not chat GPT. Let me upload the material now. With this, we completed actuators. But I said there is admin server to see all these actuators of multiple microservices together. Multiple microservices together in a single GUI screen. Yes, that admin server we are going to take up tomorrow. Then circuit breaker is there. Then we have API gateway followed by that mini project. Many things are there, guys. Yeah, where is this? This. Where is this? 11 o'clock? It's 11 o'clock, right? Yeah, tell me. 11 o'clock. Spring Boot Cloud Microservices. File upload. File upload. E-Drive, class content. What is next? Spring. What is next? 1103. Cloud Microservices. 9 and 10. Second row, 9 and 10. It's good, guys. Thank you. Have a nice time.